Hi everyone, my name is Oscar and this is my first YouTube video. The reason that I wanted to make this video is because of how impressed I am with the Wyze Cam. I want to show everyone why you should at least consider it. My wife and I recently turned one of our rooms into our baby room. We wanted to be able to relax while the babies were asleep or playing. And while they were in the rooms, we wanted to be able to communicate with them remotely. I looked into our options. I found nothing that compares to the Wyze Cam. I figured if it wasn't a good product, I wouldn't have wasted a lot of money anyway, so we gave it a try. We have been using the Wi-Spine for a few weeks now, and I have to say I'm impressed. It exceeded all of my expectations, and I bought two of them because of it. We live next to the woods, and occasionally we hear sounds all around the house, and we wanted to have peace of minds. We wanted to know that what's going on at night, and when we're not around. The Wyze Cam, there's currently two options. You have the Wyze Cam and the Wyze Cam pen. The simpler option is going to be around $20. It fluctuates in price on Amazon, and the Wyze Cam Pan is on Amazon for about 30. If you can find a better camera system, please put a comment below. I'll check it out. The second reason that I recommend this camera is because of the installation process. Virtually anybody can do it. Essentially, all you need is a Wyze Cam, Wi-Fi, electric outlet, and a smartphone. It can't be any easier. And the most important reason you need to look into this Wyze Cam is because of the software. It has a lot of options. It's very intuitive. It gives you the ability to see what's going on anywhere. As long as you have your phone, it's connected to the internet, and your house is connected to the internet. So right now we have three in our house. I got one in the baby room, one looking over the front door that I installed today, along with the another one in the living room that's facing the windows. It would allow you to talk, see at night, playback, as long as you have the memory card. And not only that, this allows me to have a good perspective of the house, see what's going on all the time when I'm away or here. It'll give you the ability to move the camera around. It has many more features like motion tracking, pan scan, but I'm not gonna get into that because I just wanted to go over the significant features. If you have any kids, need security, or simply want peace of mind, I don't think there's anything better for the price. For $100, you could buy a few. Anyway, I hope this inspired you to look into it, motivate you to get it, or at least answer some questions. Thanks for watching.